exercise 10.3.
First question is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. Two variables are x and y. We have four questions. In this first and second I will do, third and fourth is your homework sum. First question they given x plus y equal to 4. In this, y they have given here positive y. The fundamental of equation formula is y equal to mx plus c. Same like that we have to modify here also. So, we will keep as y here 4, positive x will come here negative x. For x, we can give positive value or negative value or both, including 0. Any value can apply for x value. According to this x value, y value will get changed. Y equal to 4 minus x. This is the equation. In this equation, we will change now x value. So, first x value is 0. So, 4 minus 0 is 4. Next x value is 1. So, 4 minus x value is 1, we will apply 1 here. 4 minus 1 is 3. The next x value is 2. So, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Next x value will apply minus 1. So, minus already we have in the equation. Again minus 1 we have to give for x value. So, here 4 minus into minus plus 1. So, 4 plus 1 is 5. Next x value is minus 2. So, 4 minus is there in the equation. Again in x place we have to substitute minus 2. So, 4 minus into minus plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. We have to give here 6. So, now this is horizontal line x value, vertical line y value. This is origin. Two axes will meet. This is called origin 0, 0. Now, it is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 for x value. Here negative value for x. This is y value positive. This is y value negative value. So, we have to write the scale also here. In x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. We have taken 1, 2, 3 only here. 1, 2, 3, that's why 1 unit I have written in this place. Same like that, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. In y also we have taken 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Write it y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. We will fill now the values are here. X value 0. Y value 4. So, x value 0, y value positive 4 here. This is called 0, 4. When x value is 0, the point lies on y axis. Next one is x value is 1, y value is 3. So, positive 1 and positive 3 is here. This is called 1, 3. It is in first quadrant. Next one 2, 2. So, here positive 2 for x value, y value also positive 2. This is 2, 2. Then minus 1 for x value plus 5 for y value. So, it is minus 1, plus 5 is here. This is minus 1, 5. Next value minus 2, 6. minus 2 comma positive 6. So minus 2 comma 6. So we'll get here straight line. So that on the x value we have here 4 comma 0. This is the straight line. We'll get x plus y equal to 4. Second question is x minus y equal to 2. Always we want as positive y. So this negative y will transfer to right hand side. It will become positive y. So here we have x. This right hand side positive 2 will transfer to left hand side. So it will become minus 2. Therefore our equation is y equal to x minus 2. Here also we will change for x value 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. We will get y value now according to x value. So y equal to x minus 2. Now we will change in x place 0. 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. This is for y value. Next y value. We will change for x value now 1. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Next y value is x value will change as 2 minus 2 because minus 2 is there in the equation already. So plus 2 minus 2 will get 0. Next we will change for x value is minus 1. In the equation we have already minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 when we add minus 3 will get. Next y value is for x value we will change minus 2. Minus 2 in x place. Minus 2 already we have in equation. So we will add, we will get minus 4. Now we will give for graph site. In this dark line only we have to draw for x value, x bar, y bar. Two line also will meet in perpendicular. This is called origin 0 comma 0. For x value also 0, y value also 0. Here positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6 for y value. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 for y axis negative value. Now we have to write the scale here. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit because I have taken x value also as 1, 2, 3. Y value also I have taken 1, 2, 3. If you take here 1, 2, 3 for y positive, same like that way we have to take for minus side also. If you take suppose for example here 2, 4, 6, 8 means here minus 2, minus 4, minus 8 you have to take. Now we'll mark now in this all the point we'll plot in the graph sheet. Here 0 comma minus 2. So 0 and minus 2 we have here. It is 0 comma minus 2. Then positive 1 and negative 1. Positive 1 here, negative 1 here. 1 comma minus 1. All the time we will tell x value is first, y value is next. Then here 2 comma 0. this is 2 comma 0. 2 is there on the x-axis, 0 is there in the y-axis. When y value is 0, the point will lie on x-axis. The next point is minus 1 comma minus 3. So we have here minus 1, we have minus 3 here. This is minus 1 comma minus 3. Next value is minus 2 and minus 4. We have minus 2 here, minus 4 in this place. So 2 line will intersect in this place. This is minus 2 comma minus 4. So we'll join this everything, we'll get a straight line. This straight line is called y equal to x minus 2. Our second question is, give the equations of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. How many more such lines are there and why? Now they given x value is 2, y value is 14. X value is 2, y value is 14 they given. Actually, the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c is the formula. So, we have here y value is 14 equal to m value we have to give something, but x value they are given here 2. Suppose in m place if I give 1 plus what is the c value? 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 12 will get 14, right? So in c place I have to give 12, so that 14 equal to 14 I will get. So what is our equation will be here? For this y is there here 1 into x. So 1x plus in c place I have 12. So this is the first equation I have. So in equation means always we have to write y x equal to number or everything we have to put one side and we have to write as 0. So this I am going to write y minus 1x minus 12 equal to 0. This is our first equation. Same like that condition we can write many more equation in this. Suppose in y value is 14 they given, x value 2. If I change in m value as 7, 7 2s are 14. I got here only 14 equal to 14. So what is the value I have to give for c here? It is 0. So 14 plus 0 also is 14. So 14 equal to 14 I got it here. So what is the equation I should write for this? It is y value already we have, but in m place what value I have given here? It is 7. X place we have to write x only like that. Plus c place I have written here 0. So everything if we take this side we will get y minus 7y equal to 0. 0 doesn't have value if we take any side also. This is the second equation we got. Same like that we will find now third equation. Y equal to mx plus c. Y we have 14 equal to 2 is permanent for. Now third equation we should find from this. Y value they given 14, x value they given 2. Now I like to give for m value is 3. 3 2s are how much? It is 6. Plus which number if I add? 6 plus which number? Will get 14 here because we have in y place also 14. Here 3 2s are 6. So we will find here it is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. So in c place we have given 8. For this calculation if you verify then we can write the equation here. Y we have 14, write y only. In m place we have written 3. So 3x plus c place we have written 8. So everything bring one side. Y minus 3x minus 8 equal to 0. This is for our third equation. Like this, many equation you can form for this 2, 14. As it is known that through one point infinite numbers of lines can pass through, therefore there are infinite lines of such type passing through the given point. Third question is, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. So they given x value and y value here 3, 4. The equation they given 3y equal to ax plus 7. So we'll apply here x value and y value in this equation. Y value they given it is 4 equal to a into x value they given 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12. Plus 7 will transfer to this side, it will become negative 7 equal to 3a or a3 we can write. 12 minus 7 is 5. So it is only a value we need. So this 3 will be divided here. Therefore a equal to 5 by 3 is our answer.